Good medical morning. Several times a week, we tried to bring you cool medical procedures and other health-related videos. Today, we're going to focus on cutting some calories from your diet so you can go from this to this. And receive some other health benefits too. The specific topic is stevia. Stevia is perhaps unique among food ingredients because it's most valued for what it doesn't do. It doesn't add calories. Unlike other sugar substitutes, stevia is derived from a plant. The plant itself is related to the daisy and has been known about and used in South America for over 1,000 years. It's also been very popular in Japan for many decades, and several stevia species, called candy leaf, grow in New Mexico, Arizona, and Texas. I had the opportunity to try out Enzo's organic stevia. Here's what they had to say about the product. Our stevia powder is a pure natural concentrate, which means that its taste is extremely sweet. Stevia is 120 times sweeter than various sorts of sugar and some artificial sweeteners. So you only need as little as 1/12 of a teaspoon to add sweetness to a drink or food. It doesn't cause you to put on weight, and there are no harmful chemicals. It's also good for your skin, contains antioxidants, and can help fight diabetes. But the real question is, how does it taste? Well, in coffee, at the minimum serving, I actually couldn't tell the difference between that and sugar. But for science, I added a few more little scoops until it got really sweet, and although it still tasted like sugar, it did have a slight lingering aftertaste. Which was interesting, because usually with coffee, it's the bitter part of the coffee that lingers, and not the sweetness of the sugar. So I could kind of taste both. It's good, and that's coming from someone who hates aspartame, and diet pops and things like that. So it's kind of nice finding a sugar substitute that I like. We'll put a link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for new videos like it every week. Also, remember that sometimes we give out free products to our subscribers and people who comment, so use that as some incentive to click the subscribe button now. Thanks for watching.